Let's explore how we can empower our children to take ownership of their learning path and supercharge their academic achievement. The design of the traditional school system doesn't serve GT kids, especially with GT programs being cut across the country. Studies show that gifted and talented elementary school students have mastered almost 50% of the 5 core subjects before they even begin the school year. Even though these kids are sitting around bored and unchallenged, only 5% of teachers think that advanced students should get extra attention, despite the fact that they believe advanced students slip through the cracks. So it's up to us. We need to ensure that our kids are challenged, develop a love of learning, and reach their full potential. Join me for interviews with leading educators, experts, and authors where we talk about how we can help our gifted kids academically. Because when kids go beyond standard academics, they can truly excel in and beyond the classroom.